right, Chart Talk, let's get into it. James Romelli is with KeenOnTheMarket.com. Everybody waiting for earnings numbers from Facebook. Came out late yesterday. What did they tell you?
Right, so they beat on both top and bottom line estimates, but the stock sold off initially. Now, the options market was implying that the stock could sell off as much as $5, giving us a downside target right in that $56 region. So that's a level I'm going to have to keep my eye on until the close on Friday. Now, one of the interesting things that we saw in this earnings report was that their CFO is stepping down and is going to be replaced going forward here. Now, that's a little bit unsettling for investors considering the massive amount of cash that Facebook has burned through this past quarter in the acquisitions of WhatsApp and Oculus. Like I said, they were implying $5. The stock didn't quite move that much, but that is definitely going to be a level to the downside that I have to keep my eye on.
Well, it's really wondering why they would announce that right now. This is probably one of the worst times to make such an announcement.
Right, it's definitely unsettling here. I think it's making a lot of investors and traders nervous here. And also, we're going to want to hear exactly what the plans are for those units going forward. They burned a ton of cash in those acquisitions, and we want to hear in guidance how that is going to translate into future revenue. And they did see some nice moves higher in ad sales, so that was a big positive for Facebook. But I think the two big question marks are how they're going to monetize those new units and acquisitions and what the future of their ad sales business is going to be now that they're changing up the way that they're doing their news feed.
So you're not quite as bullish as others that I've been listening to, somewhat cautious here.
Right, definitely somewhat cautious. There's a few things in the report here that are question marks still. Uncertainty is not good for the price of the stock, especially with this kind of surprise announcement that we saw with the CFO stepping down.
James Romelli with KeenOnTheMarket.com. Thanks so much.